Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Is your JVC Smart TV refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions that actually work to fix Wi-Fi issues on your JVC Smart TV. Watch till the end, because one of these methods will definitely get your TV back online. Step 1. Restart your TV and router. The first and simplest fix is restarting both your JVC Smart TV and Wi-Fi router. Turn off your TV using the remote and unplug it from the power outlet. Do the same with your Wi-Fi router. Wait at least 60 seconds. Plug your router back in, wait for it to fully start, then plug your TV back in and power it on. This refreshes both devices and can often fix temporary glitches blocking your Wi-Fi connection. Step 2. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. If your JVC Smart TV is too far from the router, the Wi-Fi signal may be weak. Go to your TV's settings, network, Wi-Fi status to check the signal strength. If the signal is low, move your router closer to the TV or use a Wi-Fi range extender. Make sure there are no major obstacles like thick walls or electronic devices causing interference. A strong, stable signal is key to a smooth streaming experience. Step 3. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi network. Sometimes your TV may store outdated Wi-Fi details. Go to Settings, Network, Wireless, Manage Networks. Select your Wi-Fi and choose Forget Network. Restart your TV and then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. This clears corrupted data and allows the TV to make a fresh connection. Step 4. Update JVC TV software. Outdated firmware can cause Wi-Fi connectivity problems. Go to Settings, System, About, System Update. Make sure your TV is running the latest software version. If an update is available, install it. Updates not only fix bugs, but also improve compatibility with routers and network standards. Step 5. Reset network settings. If none of the above worked, try resetting network settings. Go to Settings, System, Reset, Reset Network Settings. Confirm the reset and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. This wipes all saved Wi-Fi configurations and removes hidden issues. Step 6. Factory reset. If your JVC Smart TV still won't connect, a factory reset might be the final fix. Go to Settings, System, Reset, Factory Reset. Follow on-screen instructions. This will erase all your apps and settings, so use this only if nothing else works. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have your JVC Smart TV successfully connected to Wi-Fi. If the problem still continues, it may be a hardware issue and you'll need to contact JVC support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone facing the same issue. Thanks for watching.